Hey there, how you doing? Charlie Winters here with horse racing tips for Friday, the 9th of August. Well, disappointing day, non-runner placed and nowheres. So let me get into Friday. I'm not massively a fan of the racing on Friday. I've chose just three horses and I've had them in each way painting, and it's been my smallest bet for quite a while. I'm going to save a bit back for Saturday because I do like the look of Saturday, especially if there's a bit of rain before red car races. I mean, like the day before, but I don't think there's going to be. So let me get into Friday selections. So what I've had is a 16 pence, because that's what was left in the account. I'm not depositing for poor racing. Still makes 144 for three winners. 16 pence each way painting. The first selection is an interesting horse. It's trained by Charlie Johnson, and the horse is called Dealmaker. It's 11 to 1 in a 10 past 2 at Thirsk, paying 4 places instead of 3. I looked through the reading on this, and there's an awful lot of the family, including it was either a full brother or full sister, it doesn't matter, but the vast majority of the family ran better over further. This is by far the worst performing of the Dam's progeny. It's been stepped up from 5. I do believe it's ran over 6, but it's been stepped up to 7. I would like to see this horse go straight to the front at Thirsk and make the running. And I'd like to see, because obviously with it being over 5 and 6 and possibly have a preference for 7 furlong, it could get a comfortable lead and run well within itself. And hopefully, I keep saying this, hopefully it can run in the traditional Charlie and Mark Johnson way by out-battling the others and being very hard to pass. It's by that one ownership that AD Spence. It is actually in partnership with somebody else, but I'm not sure. I can't remember who the other person was, but it doesn't really matter. The second selection is Mecca's Duchess at 9 to 1 in the 10 past 3 at Thirsk, paying 4 places instead of 3. A horse that's generally in good form. I do like the look, the fact that it's making a quick reappearance. The problem is it ran 2 days ago. It could quite easily be a non-runner. We don't want it to be, because I do think it's got a cracking chance. And it's 9 to 1. And the third selection is Strong Johnson at 4 to 1 in the 340 at Thirsk, paying 3 places instead of 2. So this horse is very similar to the horse I tipped on Wednesday. It was very well fancied in the strong race at York, and there's been plenty of winners come out of that already. Reigning Prophet, Glendown, and I know for definitely there's been at least 1 or 2 more. Well, this horse, I was looking, because it's poor midget, so you need to work out what they're thinking. So this race is a 5 grand race. It's worth winning, in my opinion. This horse had pretty much the worst draw. I think it was drawn 17 of 19, and it favoured low numbers, if you remember. Night on Earth made all the running, and we actually got 2nd, 3rd, and 5th in the TriCast, all from the low numbers. This horse never had a chance, but it was extremely well backed on the day. It seemed to Glendown, who also had an awful draw. So I'm sticking with Strong Johnson. Originally, I'll be honest, if you don't fancy Strong Johnson, originally I was going for a bait. But my only problem is the informed favourite, which I don't think will win. The informed favourite, I think it's called something of Law of Energy, something like that. It doesn't matter what it's called, but it tends to make the running, but a bait does as well. And they could easily take each other on and set it up for a closer, which could be Strong Johnson. Strong Johnson will love a fast pace. So those are the 3 horses for Friday. So if you can give me a like or a subscribe, I really appreciate it. And then it's Charlie Johnson again. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.